Hi guys, it's me, Neon Cat here. Neon LPS here, back with another video. Today I'll be doing the colors of the rainbow tag. Okay? Let's get started. Okay, but first I chose this bird for red. I just like it. I chose this one for orange because I don't know. I chose this one for yellow because I won it in a giveaway for my friend. You should totally go and subscribe to her. Her channel name is wertman. I chose my mascot for green because he's green and he's a mascot. I chose this one for blue because I use it for sadness and inside out. And I chose this one for purple because it's sparkly! That's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye.